Every jar of blueberry jam begins with the harvest of perfectly ripened fruit. Careful separation ensures only clean blueberries move forward for blueberry jam. From field to bulk hopper, volume replaces handfuls for industrial blueberry jam.
Preparation protects the blueberries bound for blueberry jam processing.
The journey toward blueberry jam production now leaves the farm behind. Miles of road connect fresh harvest to modern blueberry jam facilities. The transformation of blueberry jam begins as fruit meets stainless steel. Continuous motion carries blueberries deeper into blueberry jam production. Gravity and machinery align to elevate ingredients for blueberry jam. Measured distribution prepares blueberries for the purity required in blueberry jam. Initial rinsing protects the clarity and taste of blueberry jam. Water and rotation cleanse the fruit destined for blueberry jam.
Moisture is reduced before deeper refinement of blueberry jam ingredients.
Now, inside the core of the facility, blueberries advance toward precision sorting for blueberry jam. Inside the blueberry jam factory, precision begins where volume once ruled. Optical intelligence protects the integrity of every batch of blueberry jam. Human attention reinforces the standards of blueberry jam production. Measured precisely, the volume defines the rhythm of blueberry jam processing. Temporary storage stabilizes the harvest before cooking begins for blueberry jam. Movement resumes as blueberries approach the heart of blueberry jam creation. The blueberry jam factory prepares for heat, pressure, and transformation. Here, under controlled heat, the journey toward blueberry jam truly begins. Heat awakens the natural sugars that define blueberry jam. Measured sweetness balances the character of blueberry jam. Structure forms as pectin binds the future texture of blueberry jam. Precision heat ensures consistency in every batch of blueberry jam. At boiling point, the transformation into blueberry jam accelerates. Each stage of blueberry jam demands constant verification. Texture reveals whether blueberry jam has reached its perfect body. From kettle to containment, blueberry jam moves toward refinement.
Stability is maintained as blueberry jam rests under controlled heat.
Flow continues as blueberry jam advances toward refinement. Purity is preserved, while texture remains true to blueberry jam. Final balance perfects the signature profile of blueberry jam. Air is eliminated to protect the shelf life of blueberry jam. Temperature control prepares blueberry jam for precision filling. The path narrows as blueberry jam approaches its final form. Containers align as blueberry jam prepares to meet the jar. Measured precision delivers blueberry jam into its final container. Consistency defines the standard of every blueberry jam jar. Sterile sealing safeguards the shelf life of blueberry jam. Every blueberry jam jar receives its protective seal. Pressure locks freshness inside every jar of blueberry jam. Residual heat completes the internal protection of blueberry jam. Cooling secures the structure and clarity of blueberry jam. Now stabilized, blueberry jam advances toward its branded identity.
Brand identity meets automation in the blueberry jam line.
Each blueberry jam jar carries traceability and trust. Every blueberry jam batch is digitally marked for accountability.
Automation safeguards the uniformity of blueberry jam.
Only compliant blueberry jam continues toward packaging. Precision robotics accelerates blueberry jam packaging.
Efficiency multiplies as blueberry jam enters bulk packaging.
Sealed and secured, blueberry jam prepares for distribution. Automation now organizes blueberry jam for large-scale shipment. Structured stacking protects blueberry jam during transit. Precision ensures each pallet of blueberry jam remains stable. Layer separation reinforces the durability of blueberry jam shipments. A complete pallet signals readiness for final securing of blueberry jam. Transparent reinforcement protects blueberry jam in motion. Secured and stabilized, blueberry jam awaits relocation. Movement continues as blueberry jam enters controlled storage.
Even in storage, blueberry jam undergoes continuous verification.
Scientific analysis confirms the integrity of blueberry jam. Acidity defines both safety and flavor balance in blueberry jam. Texture consistency safeguards the signature body of blueberry jam.
Microbial screening ensures the long-term safety of blueberry jam.
Final validation clears blueberry jam for global distribution.
Authorization sends blueberry jam toward its final destination.
Precision handling protects every pallet of blueberry jam. Inside the trailer, blueberry jam begins its outbound journey.
Secured loads preserve the stability of blueberry jam in motion.
Sealed transport protects the integrity of blueberry jam. From factory floor to open road, blueberry jam moves outward.
And this is how modern factories produce blueberry jam from start to finish.
Scale defines the reach of modern blueberry jam production.
real factory breakdown coming soon.